Eucalyptus wimmerensis, commonly known as the Wimmera mallee box or the broad-leaved green mallee, is a species of mallee that is endemic to an area around the border between Victoria and South Australia. It usually has smooth bark on the trunk and branches, linear to narrow oblong leaves, flower buds in groups of 7 to 11, white flowers and cup-shaped to barrel-shaped fruit. Eucalyptus wimmerensis is a multi-stemmed and often erect mallee that typically grows to height of 4 meters 13 feet, rarely to 12 meters 39 feet, but never a tree. It has smooth gray, tan, or cream-colored bark, sometimes with fibrous bark near the base. Young plants have dull bluish to grayish green, linear to narrow lance-shaped or narrow oblong leaves that are about 65 millimeters, 2.6 in, long and 16 millimeters, 0.63 in, wide. Adult leaves are the same shade of glossy green on both sides, linear to narrow lance-shaped, narrow oblong, or curved, up to 50 to 80 millimeters, 2.0 to 3.1 in, long and 8 to 15 millimeters, 0.31 to 0.59 in, white on a petiole up to 13 millimeters, 0.51 in, long. The flower buds are arranged in leaf axils in groups of 7 to 11 on a peduncle up to 5 to 13 millimeters, 0.20 to 0.51 in, long. The individual buds on pedicels 4 to 6 millimeters, 0.16 to 0.24 in, long. Mature buds are spindle-shaped to club-shaped, 5 to 6 millimeters, 0.20 to 0.24 in, long and 3 to 4 millimeters, 0.12 to 0.16 in, wide with a rounded to bluntly cone-shaped operculum that is shorter than the floral cup. Flowering occurs from summer to late autumn and the flowers are white. The fruit is a woody cup-shaped to barrel-shaped capsule about 6 millimeters, 0.24 in, long and white with the valves below rim level. Eucalyptus wimmerensis was first formally described in 1990 by Kevin James Rule in the journal Wimmera from specimens collected in 1964 by James Hamlin Willis on the Lillooet Range between Hill and Caneva. The specific epithet, wimmerensis, refers to the Wimmera region of Victoria where the species occurs. In 2018, Rule described 5 subspecies, but the names have not been accepted by the Australian Plant Census. Eucalyptus wimmerensis subsp. Arabilensis Rule. Eucalyptus wimmerensis subsp. Grata Rule. Eucalyptus wimmerensis subsp. Polita Rule. Eucalyptus wimmerensis subsp. Parviformis Rule. Eucalyptus wimmerensis Rule subsp. Wimmerensis. The Wimmera mallee box has a scattered distribution in the Little Desert National Park and adjacent area of South Australia. It is most common between Ndimbulla and Hill and between Hill and Caneva, where it grows in sandy soils or gravelly loams in mallee vegetation or mixed mallee woodland. As with some other eucalypts, it occurs in lands cleared for agriculture. As a result, it is difficult to relate its distribution to the natural state. Some stands of E. wimmerensis include hybrids, even with the distantly related mallees of the Etumosa group.